Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of technology and exploring the full specifications of the highly anticipated Samsung S24 Ultra. In just 3 minutes, we'll cover all the essential features that make this device stand out from the crowd. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts a sleek and modern design, constructed with premium materials that exude elegance and durability. Its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display offers an immersive experience with a stunning 3200 x 1440 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, and the high brightness ensures crystal-clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra packs a powerful punch. It is powered by the latest Snapdragon 895 processor, or Exynos equivalent depending on the region, coupled with a generous 12 GB of RAM. This combination guarantees smooth multitasking and lag-free performance, making it a true powerhouse for both work and play. One of the standout features of the Samsung S24 Ultra is its camera setup. It boasts a quad-camera system on the back, including a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 3D 2F sensor for depth mapping. This powerful combination allows for stunning photos in various lighting conditions and exceptional optical zoom capabilities. The device is fueled by a substantial 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without having to worry about running out of juice. Additionally, Samsung's advanced fast-charging technology can get you back up to speed in no time, making charging a breeze. On the software side, the Samsung S24 Ultra runs on the latest Android version, skinned with Samsung's One UI, which offers a clean and intuitive user experience. It also comes equipped with a host of features like an in-display fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistance, and support for the S Pen, making it incredibly versatile for productivity and creativity. As expected from a flagship device, the Samsung S24 Ultra supports all the latest connectivity options, including 5G capabilities, ensuring faster download and upload speeds and a smoother browsing experience. In conclusion, the Samsung S24 Ultra is a truly impressive device with a stunning design, a high-performance processor, a versatile camera system, and a host of advanced features that cater to all your needs. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Samsung S24 Ultra has got you covered. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this overview of the Samsung S24 Ultra's full specifications helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to share them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates, and until next time, take care and happy exploring.